What's your brother doing? What is your brother doing? What do you think? We played really hard at the Early Learning Center, didn't we? You're entertaining us, honey. Nathaniel. You're providing entertainment. Sam is very amused. Because you're singing and sleeping. What do you think, Sam? Oh, brother's like, okay, my happy place, happy place. Yes, you have apples still on your tray, and you love apples, honey. Oh, you just want a pillow, huh? Just give me a pillow. Woohoo! Sam looks like he's ready to go on a roller coaster ride. Sam, high five. High five to the camera. Meanwhile, your brother's kind of just like getting the Z's wherever he can. Can you make it till nap time, honey? We got like, well, as soon as you're done with those apples, I guess. Yeah, Sammy's done. Did you have a good lunch, Sam? Sam, did you like the apple? Was it good? Did you like the apple dessert? Did you like the ravioli? Nathaniel did. Yummy. What about apple? Apple. It was good. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think you succeeded in waking up your brother to finish his apple. And I have a feeling that once this final piece is down, actually his eyes are closed. I can't believe he's eating like that. He's so tired, Sammy. It's really hard when you don't get a morning nap, isn't it, honey? It's really hard. Be sure you're chewing that, honey. You're kind of dozing. Oh yeah, Sam, keep beating every now and then. Wake him up. I think he's asleep, Sam. It's going to take some more effort on your part, Sam. He's still got a little bit of apple. Nathaniel, do you want that last bit of apple, honey? Or you just want to go nap? Oh, I think he just wants to go to sleep. I mean, come on, Mom. Have mercy.